Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. We feel it's super important to be prepared when you're out traveling, and that's why we love this portable air compressor from EPAuto. It's really convenient because it plugs directly into the cigarette lighter of your vehicle. So as long as you can power your vehicle, you can inflate your tires anywhere, even if you're stranded on the side of the road. This has a really nice LCD display, and you can select the PSI that you need. And then it also has an auto shut off, which I love because I don't have to worry about overinflating my tire. It's so simple to use. It threads directly on to the air valve in your tire, which is also nice because it's hands-free. Once you turn it on, you can walk away or get back into your car if it's cold. I love how small and compact this is, and then it comes in its own carrying case. You can easily put it in a trunk or even slide it underneath the seat. We not only use this to inflate our car tires, but we've used this to fill up inflatables in the summer. It has a nice attachment that we use for that, but you can use it for bike tires as well. I think this is a great thing for anyone that drives a vehicle to have, simply for the peace of mind. And that's my point of view.